to Naomi's Corner at home. Today I will be showing you how to make a fast and easy lemon ginger tea. I personally call this ImmuniTEA. Start with lemon. Lemon has the highest amount of vitamin C found in nature, so it really helps support your immune system. Ginger. Ginger has an amazing health properties. It is anti-spasmodic. So for women, if you are getting cramps or having muscle pain, it is really good for that. Also, it's anti-inflammatory, meaning that it's a natural pain reliever. On top of that, it helps if you have headaches or bloating, and it's good for digestion. Finally, it naturally helps fight colds. But the best part of that is it's super inexpensive. You can get it anywhere. So, to start with, we're going to be using my favorite kitchen tool, my Saladmaster food processor. And I'll be using cone number 4 to slice our ginger. You do not have to peel it, but I already wash and brush it because remember, that's where all the goodness is, right there in the peelings, okay? So I'll be using 2 small pieces here. It's the ginger root. Wow, look at that. All right, and then another one. Okay, and then we're gonna put it in our boiling water. So we're gonna start making our tea here. So all you need to do is just put all of the sliced ginger. Now, if you have too much ginger, I think I slice a lot of ginger. So what you can do is just add more water. So it's just good that I already have here my hot water from my water kettle. So we're gonna wait until it boils. I can smell the aroma. So our ginger tea is ready to serve. All right. And then I already have a tablespoon of honey inside my cup. So we're just gonna pour this in. And then we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon. I can smell the aroma. Wow. And now, if you're on the go, you can pour in the remaining of your ginger tea to your Espro so it keeps warm wherever you go. So, happy birthday!